The Stoic resilience secret. Rome's master had a master. The animal within. He hated the dawn. Couldn't get out of bed. Comfort was his bribe. Marcus Aurelius didn't seek motivation. He sought duty. He didn't have a routine. He had a mission. Nature demands your rise. Your bed is a grave. Rise before you're buried. Motivation is a feeling. Discipline is an architecture. The blankets are a betrayer of your duty. If an emperor struggled, you will too. The difference? He stopped negotiating with the comfort. Stop being a subject